Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by making sure Dolphin is installed and your controller or Bluetooth adapter is ready. Once done, open Dolphin, go to Controllers, and select the Wii Remote slot. Choose Emulated if you'll map inputs in software or real Wii Remote to pair a physical Wiimote. Make sure extension matches the game, for example Wii Motion Plus when required. You do this now so the emulator recognizes motion input. Without matching extension and connection, motion data won't register during gameplay. Now configure how Dolphin reads motion. In the emulated Wii Remote window, click Configure and switch to motion input. Here, map the emulator's roll, pitch, and yaw to your controller's gyro axes or analog sticks. Make sure you set sensible dead zones and sensitivity so small tremors don't register as movement, and use smoothing sparingly to avoid lag. If the game uses IR cursor input, enable and map IR to an analog stick. Test movements in the preview until values respond predictably. Finish by testing in an actual game scenario that relies on motion. Perform common gestures and rotations to confirm responsiveness. Once satisfied, save your controller profile so you can recall settings per game and bind a quick reset or recalibrate button for mid-session fixes. If you notice drifting or ignored input, recalibrate the controller, lower sensitivity, and check smoothing. If problems persist, try pairing a physical Wiimote with Bluetooth, as it often provides cleaner gyro data. That troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.